In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a site from DigitalOcean to WP Engine in 25. We'll walk through each step of the process, ensuring that you have a smooth transition. First, you'll want to log into your WP Engine account. Once you're in, look for your way to Sites and select Add Site. This step is crucial as it prepares your WP Engine dashboard to receive the new environment. You'll then have the option to create a new environment. You can choose between a production or staging environment depending on your immediate needs, especially if you want to test everything first before going live. Now it's time to head over to your WordPress dashboard hosted on DigitalOcean. Here, our goal is to install the WP Engine Automated Migration plugin. To do that, simply navigate to Plugins and select Add New. In the search bar, type WP Engine Automated Migration. Once it appears, click Install, followed by Activate. Moving back to WP Engine, you'll need migration details to ensure everything falls into place smoothly. Within your WP Engine dashboard, find the Site Migration option and you'll be able to copy essential details such as the destination URL, SFTP host, username, and password. These are crucial for the next steps. With those details ready, return to your old WordPress site on DigitalOcean. Access the migration plugin settings and paste the SFTP details you copied earlier from WP Engine. This also includes entering your email address for any migration updates, which are quite helpful to monitor the progress. When ready, confidently click Start Migration. The plugin will do its job, and it could take a few minutes to an hour depending on your site size. Once the migration is underway, patience is key as it completes. Rest assured, you'll receive an email notification once everything is finalized. For those of you who want to update your domain as part of the migration process, this part is optional. You can go back to the WP Engine dashboard, choose Domains, and select Add Domain. Additionally, you'll need to point your DNS to WP Engine's IP to make your site live. It's these final touches that ensure everything is accessible and running smoothly on WP Engine. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on transferring your site from DigitalOcean to WP Engine. Remember, each step we covered ensures you preserve the integrity of your website as it moves